Let's be honest. Cleaning towels is not exactly anyone's idea of a good time. But what if your cleaning routine came with a little citrus sparkle and a whole lot of easy? Meet Tal Goldstar Daily Towel Cleaner, the streak-free superhero your towels have been waiting for. Muddy floor? Gone. Bathroom grime? Away with you. A countertop that's seen one too many cooking experiments? Sorted. Grubby mirrors? History. Tiled bathroom walls? No problem. Granite, porcelain, terracotta, natural stone? Check. Vinyl and laminate floors? Absolutely. Bring it on. Even sprayed surfaces like your car can benefit from a little Goldstar glow-up. It's water-based and safe for daily cleaning in your home, but also holds its own in high-traffic spots, kitchens, offices, anywhere that needs a reliable, no-nonsense clean. Just mix with 1 liter of water, 1 cap, 5 caps, 10 caps, depending on whether it's a whoops or a what happened here kind of mess. Then mop, wipe or scrub gently, rinse off, done. And your home smells like lemony victory. Tal Goldstar Daily Towel Cleaner. Available in 5 liters and 1 liter at hardware and tiling stores. Tal, the science behind beautiful spaces.